Hello guys, I'm Vikram. You watching Tech 360 YouTube channel. Today talk about what is rooting? Why should I root my Android device? These are common questions that I get asked quite often. Today's lesson is to talk to you about both the advantages and disadvantages of rooting your Android devices. But before we get started, a word of caution: rooting or modifying your phone in any way will void your manufacturer's warranty and possibly brick it. I do not in any way recommend anyone to root their Android device. So first I discussed about what is rooting. Rooting an Android phone means giving superuser access. A superuser is an administrator who has access to more features and functions, which means more power over how the device works. But it also brings with it a greater potential to do damage to the device's proper operation. Rooting is the process of allowing users of smartphones and tablets and other devices running the Android operating system. What are the advantages of rooting? First, kernel, speed, and battery. There are many custom ROMs and apps available for rooted devices that will allow you to drastically improve the performance, speed, and also extend battery life on your device. A lot of developers tweak the kernels for added performance, battery life, and more. Second, baseband. Rooting your device grants you the ability to update the basebands on your smartphone. The baseband is what controls the radio on your device. By updating to the latest basebands, you can potentially improve both the signal and quality of your phone calls. Third, unlocking additional features. Latest versions of Android. As mentioned earlier, custom ROMs can allow you to update to the latest version of the Android OS before they are officially released. This is a great feature for those who are tech savvy and want to stay on top of the latest and greatest software updates before it hits the mainstream crowd. This is also useful if you have an outdated device that is no longer being updated by the manufacturer. What are the disadvantages of rooting? First, bricking. The number one reason not to root your device is the potential risk of bricking. Your device means screwing up your phone software so badly that your phone can no longer function properly and is pretty much as useless as a brick. Second, security. There is an increased risk of unknowingly installing malicious software when you root an Android device. Root access the security restrictions that are put in place by the Android OS. In most cases, these applications are open source and the community can take a look at the source code to assess the risk. But malicious software on rooted devices hasn't really been a problem as of yet. But I thought it was worth mentioning since this could be a potential risk in the future. I'd recommend installing an antivirus and security app just to be safe. So I hope guys, after watching this video you can know about rooting. If this video is helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel for new video. Thanks for watching.